What's happening? What's happening, Wagwan? Welcome to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. How do you do there? I hope you're alright. I hope you're in a good strength. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I have a piece of video for show you today. And I go talk to you after I show you the video. Because this is a matter where, this is a serious matter. This is a matter where we are trying to talk about. We are talking about it. A lot of people are live through this same situation. Some people act like it's nothing. Some people act like it's an everyday problem. Some people act like it's an everyday thing. Just shove it under the rug. Shove it under the mat. Because this person name what him name, nobody mustn't talk about it. Some of you as a subscriber, I got a video. That, what me want to show you and talk about it. Because these things is something that we need to discuss. We need to talk about them. We need to help these people. We need to motivate these people. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, right now, me still, no matter where we go, me still I go say thank you each and every one for 4,600 subscribers. To all my viewers them, where watch the videos, thank you very much for your watch. Maybe you don't want to subscribe, maybe you're not ready to subscribe yet. Subscribe still. December 31st, would I like to reach 5,000 subscribers. Help me out. To each and everyone who comment, remember, I will answer to every single one of you all. Whether if you say bad things or good things, I will say something. If I don't answer you yet, I will answer you, Also, I would have liked a few of my subscribers, or every one of my subscribers, or every one of my viewers them, go check out Oliver Unfiltered. Yeah, man, something wrong with him channel. So, him have a new channel up. Also, would have like and would have love if you show some love to Jamaica Sensation. Him a try hard for push him channel. Me no want him give up, and me hope he not give up. So go over there, give him some support, help him out. And also remember, go check out KC Adventure TV. Yeah man, check her out. Fresh channel. She'll soon reach up there, but she a work on her thing. I try after her craft. Everybody have to start somewhere. Every one of us born, then we creep, then we walk, take time walk, then we reach to become manhood. So everything take time. Shirley D, dramatic, creative, cooking, nice food. Hey, them food look good, me not tell lie. I remember Roxanne British, she had do some cooking over England. They are to England farm, run go over there, drive, go over there, go get some of the food. Now my viewers and subscriber, and no, me forgot. Manix TV, Maki, Adventure, Ocean and Nove. Check them out, man. Check them out. My viewers and subscriber. From the other day, we are talking about a situation with CMR and Chrissy. CMR getting locked up for doing enough to do to his stepdaughter, allegedly. People cuss me. People tell me say me howl. People tell me say me fi mind me business. Yeah man, then say me fi mind me own business. Then say me fi go look work. Which they never realize how hard YouTube is. YouTube is like having 3 jobs. Then say me fi go get rocking chair and sit down in it and rock. Then say me fi go to church which they don't understand say me. You mean to hear me talk about church? But me pray, prayer every day. All when me I walk, me I talk to Jesus. Yes, man. Them tell me all kind of things. But not all of them are telling me bad things. Many of them I say a lot of good things. Many of them are back the victims. Purple heart for the victims. But guys, I want to show you this video. And I want you to watch this video. And when you watch this video, we talk after it. See?
Your shoulder and come in the bathroom, go fuck me, and then we come back into the bed. You know, so you're me all the time, uncle. You used to, as a 10-year-old child, can remember the things, the slime around down the leg when me have to clean up. Me a 54-year-old, me soon turn 55 next year. And me no connect love hands together. I know me no make the connection say, me supposed to have and me love. Marriage no mean nothing to me because at the time you take my virginity, we were married to Mary. So me no take them things not important to me, because me no see the importance of it. Yeah, Mary I go church, yeah, Mary married. What me want to know is, Mary had to know that you were doing it. Which time you said nobody, if you tell nobody, them not gonna believe you, and them are gonna send me go a reform school and I won't see my family again. I saw you used to threaten me. Yes, sir. Yes, that's how you threatened me in the beginning. Me not fight you. Yes, yes, you did. Yes. You tell me, say, nobody not going to believe me. And if me talk, them are going to beat me. No, you never say beat. You say, them are going to send me to go a reform school and I won't see my family again. And you say, nobody not going to believe me. And the day when I told Miss Mia and she beat me and didn't believe me, that day they realized that you know what you were talking about. Because Miss Mia did not believe me. Why would Miss Mia believe me? I tell a lie. Why didn't Miss Mia believe me? No,
you better kill me if you said what me no trouble there too. No, tell me if you can't go. Can't trouble me no trouble there too. No.
When you pick me up over your shoulder and come in the bathroom, go fuck me, and then
guys, you see that? You see that video? 10-year-old. But there's one thing me have to say about this lady. This lady have a heart. Yeah, man. This lady have a heart for sit down with him. Talk to him. Ask him the question them. Yeah, man. And the good thing is, she get it on tape. Yeah, man, she get it on tape, man. Because monsters like them, yeah, people must know about these kind of monsters. People must see them kind of monsters and say, go away. People must see them and know how low them is. My viewers and subscribers, you know which part of it hurting is when she has said the wife know what go on, you know. Yeah, man, know what go on, man. But to each and everyone out there where just a blame the victim. How can you blame the victim when the victim is only 10 or 13? You know. Remember, you know, she laid out everything on the table. The reason why she couldn't hold up talk, she couldn't say nothing to nobody. When the man said to her, what go happen? What him go do to her? So them have everything all set. And when them go tell them. So them not have time because them little bit, them small. Let me tell you something. That topic is a topic I'm gonna like talk about, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, because you see when me put out these kind of contents, you have people out there where I go tell me say, me must left people business. And them all tell me all sort of words, you know. And let me tell you something, sometimes I want to answer them. But me is not a person where I go answer a person a certain way. Me not born that the way, me not grow up that the way there. Me can rude to you, but the way how me go rude to is the most intelligent way me go rude to you. But me not rude to you like I go tell you a certain word or call you out of your name. No, me not do that. Me not go call you out of your name. Me not like call people out of their name. You hear some man that call ladies some names? No, brother. You not gonna hear me do that. You never hear me do that. Because me not grew up that way there. My mother and my father no grew me that way at all. But my heart goes out for the victims them out there. And I hope after some of you listen to this video, listen to this lady, watch this video, I hope and pray say a lot of you we have a different heart towards these people who is a victim of these kind of. Hey, you imagine, man, 10-year-old in a man. Hey, listen up. Oh, Jesus. Ten 10-year-old. Hey. Yeah, man. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. That one, every time me do videos span them, it take me a certain. Me have a auntie, me have a cousin, me have a friend who been in these kind of things. And as me say right now, my cousin, she can't have any baby. Yeah, man, she can't have a kid. Her husband want a kid right now. Yeah, man, the husband want a kid and she can't give him one. The only good thing about it, the husband nah go left her girlfriend her because she can't have a kid. You know, so them a work, them a try. Yeah, man, them a try them because of what happened to her when she did, when she little bit. Yeah, man, so my viewers and subscribers, this are where people are undergo out there to the day. Yeah, man, these are the things where little kids are undergo to the day out there. But yet still you have some people will come under the comment and very rude about it. You just imagine. Don't imagine it. Please don't imagine it. But me just use this word. Imagine being a 10-year-old and have to know say these are the things that are going to happen to you. 10-year-old. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you want to go on. Me go ask each and every one out there to pray for the victims. Put out a purple heart for the victims. Yeah, man, a purple heart for the victims. That me go ask, you know. And to be honest, if we can do more for these victims. Rather than the purple heart. If you know somebody, the thing is, it happened already. And them I go through a trauma in them brain. So, sometimes when you see them, operate like nothing happened. Talk to them normal. Because sometimes they don't want to bring it up. Sometimes they don't want to even think about it. Sometimes they don't want to even remember, say, it happened. So, do the best you can and help them. Right now, I struggle. I struggle upon a video. I struggle upon a video. I go do a follow-up video upon it, but I struggle upon a video. So, to all my viewers and subscribers, remember, like the video, share the video, comment upon the video. We could discuss this. We could talk about this because when we talk about Chrissy and Samar, everybody think we bad mind. We are fight against Chrissy. We are fight against Samar. But them not really realize she's not the only little girl out there that go through this kind of thing. You have millions, thousands of young girl out there, big people, big lady. Remember I said this lady, a 54-year-old. It happened to her at 10. Voila. 10 years old. Look on 10. 54. Take away 10 from 54. Yeah, man. Yeah. 44. Me check right. 44 years ago. And she can't remember everything. Hey, my viewers and subscriber. You want to do? I want to sit down and remember and look where just come in front of the face. 54 years old. 10 years old. 44 years ago. 44 years ago. And yeah, you know 44 years ago me how much? Let me tell you no 44 years ago me how much. Me a 9. Me never that think about a girlfriend. No. Me never that think about no girlfriend at 9-year-old. Nope. And just think about that. A 10-year-old. Think about what happened to a 10-year-old. At that time, me a 9. Me never that think about a girl. Me never know nothing about a girlfriend. Nope. In a Jamaica there? No, sir. Me never know nothing about a girlfriend. No. My viewers and subscribers, me tell you this. I'm going to tell you this straight. Me never start have girlfriend until me a 18-year-old. And you know why? My mother used to tell me, say, as a matter of fact, hold on a little bit. My grandmother called me one day. And when she called me, she said, you know, I got to tell you, now go look no pitney. Because your mother now go mind you and no pitney. I may ask her some question and she tell me. And from that day, me say to myself, say, me will never have no pitney or deal with no woman until when me able to start to work. Me start work when me at 18 years old. And at that time, me have a girlfriend. Guess what happened? At that time, me get my first kid. My first boy. Yep. My first son. Me get. Yep. So, my viewers and subscriber, 44 years ago, and this woman still remember every single movement. And at the time, she was 10 years old. And so she confront him there. The first time she confront him, you know. So just imagine, this woman, I live with this thing for 44 years, and guess what happened? This man, I come around this woman like everything is okay. Like everything all right. You see that? He might come around her like everything is all right. Same way. Some of you as a subscriber, remember, like the video, love the video, care about the video, comment on the video, talk about the video, share the video to a lot of people. Just share. Hey, my viewers and subscribers, hey, hold on a little bit. Watch the ads them, man. Yes, man. Watch the ads them for me, man. And watch the ads them for everybody else who want to like and want to support. Because here what happen. Sometimes you don't have the money to support a content creator. You don't have the money to give a content creator. But guess how you can support them and you can give them a money? Watch the ad. Watch the full ad. Click on the ad. If you're on your computer, your phone, or your tablet, or any little device, the TV not gonna work. Click on the ad. When you click on the ad, you will get more. Let's say when you watch the ad, you get 10. When you click on it, you will get 10 plus 15. It's 25. So you can help all of your content creators, not only me. You can help every content creator that you watch them videos or you subscribe to. Yeah, man, that's a way you can help all of us. So, for 2025, that is where I ask all of my viewers and subscribers to do. Because I go need a lot of help. Because me have two things when me go do in a Jamaica. One is for a feeding program down there. And also, me go send some things like them, have some schools down there where need for repaint. And right in my area, for repaint and a little lunch program for school at least once a month, you know. So, we gonna need all the help and all the money when we can get, put power me have for gift to them. And then we go want to do a program for the people with the prostate cancer, to help them. It can't, let me say this. Money can't save them, but sometimes all they want is some money to buy some tablet, money to go a doctor, money to go a hospital, or money to transport them to somewhere. So I'm going to start that program coming next year in January. So until we meet again, enough respect, enough manners, no say a word. And you don't know Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. I'm out. Peace.